नमस्कारः। दृश्यते वा? Can you see this, रीना महोदय? अस्तु, आरम्भं करोतु रीना महोदय। सर्वे म्यूट् कुर्वन्तु।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। येनाक्षरसामान्यम् अधिगण्यं महश्वेरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पणिनये नमः। वाक्यं कारवररुचि भाष्यं कारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनि सूत्रकार्यक्षं प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनियत्रम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तो वागर्थ प्रतिपत्ते जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरो। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनामनीमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
अस्तु, धन्यवादः महोदय। उत्तमम्। Any questions from last time? Any questions about the homework? अस्तु, प्रश्नाः न सन्ति चेत् अग्रे सरामः।
Mahodaya,
वदतु
I
महोदय।
had little bit difficult in doing the last part of the homework, that is writing about the friends. That thing. Still I wrote, but I don't know.
See, the object. See, we know that you don't know everybody in the class personally. The objective was it was just an excuse to write 5 to 7 sentences. That's all. Every week we are picking up some excuse. So today is Hanuman Jayanti. So in your homework you can expect to see one question about right 8 to 10 sentences about Hanuman Jayanti. So we are just taking topical things, whatever is happening around us. Yeah, it's just an excuse to give you more practice. That's all it is.
Okay. So it doesn't need to be perfect or something.
Oh yeah. Everything needs to be perfect on day one.
Okay, धन्यवाद.
Astu.
It is perfect. We need to attend the class.
we do our best.
No, but it also points out that you have the signal group. One of the purposes of that group is for all of you to start interacting with each other. See, I will be with you for 6 more months. After that, who knows? Next year, we don't know who will teach you. We don't know who will be your colleagues or co-students. So if you form a circle now, these are the people with whom you will carry on this relationship for a long time. So practice speaking to each other, send messages to each other in Sanskritam, because all of you are almost at the same level here and there. Some people are a little more advanced, some people need more practice. But that's it's a good group. I've spoken to many of you personally, one-on-one. You're all gems, good human beings. So Please get to know each other. There is one Subhashitam, right? You only learn 25% from your teacher. The other 25% comes from your peers. The third 25% comes from practice. And the last 25% comes over a period of time. As you think about it, as you grow a year from now, 2 years from now, oh, this is what Bhanu Mahodaya said. Now I understand why he said that. Then things will click. Every time I say something, I understand it won't click. Just like when my teacher teaches us, everything doesn't click for me on the first day. So you are all doing the first 25%, which is attending the classes regularly, doing your homework. The second 25%, which is doing homework, you are doing abhyasa. The fourth 25%, which is time, you can't do anything. The time has to pass. The third 25%, which is interacting amongst yourselves, amongst your peers, amongst your classmates, I think you all should do more. That way, things will pick up quickly.
Acharya padam adatte padam tisha swamedeya sadau sabrahmacharicha pada kalakramena cha.
Samyak. Dhanyavadah, Mahodaya. Samyak. That's the Subhashitam. We will study that Subhashitam in a future class. Astu, Agre Saramaha. And today also, I hope all of you will attempt to speak in Sanskritam as much as you can.
Astu Mahodaya.
Astu. Since the last 2-3 classes, everybody has been giving answers in Bhutakala, even though the question was in Vartamana Kala. I thought you are all anxious to learn about Bhutakala. So we will learn about Bhutakala today. We will also learn about something called Kimartha. But before that, Kinchit Kriyapadanam Punaravalokanam Kurmaha. Whatever we learned about Kriyapadas. What did we learn? We learned about Vartamana Kala. Ekavachana Pathati, Bahuvachana Pathanti. In Prathama Purusha. I have written Prathama Purusha. We have written Prathama Purusha and Uttama Purusha in the slides, but we have never defined it. We will define it in a future class. But at a very high level, Prathama Purusha is somebody else. What we call as third person in English. Uttama Purusha is first person, me, about me. Prathama Purusha is about somebody else. He, she, that boy, that girl, that mahila, that purushaha, that gajaha, etc. So, balakaha pathati, balakaha pathanti. That boy reads, those boys read. Uttama Purusha is about me. Aham pathami, vayam pathamaha. So this is a little confusing in the beginning because Prathama means first. So we would think that Prathama Purusha means first person, but actually in Sanskrita it is third person. So the word for first person is Uttama Purusha. We will see this in more detail. The more important point is a revision of this. Pathati, pathanti, pathami, pathamaha. In Bhavishyat Kala, the same thing. Pathishyati, patishyanti. Balakaha patishyati. Shvaha patishyati. Balakaha shvaha patishyanti. For future, sometime in the future, the boy will read, the boys will read. Aham patishyami, vayam patishyamaha. I will read in the future, we will read in the future. Nothing new here. This is all something we have done. Now let us look at Bhutakala. This will be somewhat different. You will have a lot of questions. Hold on to your questions. I will answer all of them. Usha Mahodaya, Prathamam Vakyam Patatu Kripaya.
Balakaha Patitavan. The boy read.
Boy read. Balakaha Patitavan. He read sometime in the past. The reason I wrote past tense here is this can also mean read, right? So I didn't want you to get confused. So Balakah Pathitavan, he read sometime back. Surendra Mahodaya.
Shishuhu Kriditavan. The baby played.
Shishuhu Kriditavan. The baby played. Reena Mahodaya.
Janakah bhojanam khaditvan. The father ate food.
Janakah bhojanam khaditavan. Father ate food. Samyak. Ramu Mahodaya.
छात्रः अभ्यासं लिखितवान्. छात्रः अभ्यासं लिखितवान्.
सम्यक्. छात्रः अभ्यासं लिखितवान्.
The male student wrote homework.
So the male part is important.
Chatra.
So in the past we saw pathati, kridati, khadati, likhati for vartamana kala. The same thing in bhuta kala becomes pathitavan, kriditavan, khaditavan, likhitavan. So pathati in bhuta kala becomes pathitavan, kridati becomes kriditavan, khadati becomes khaditavan, likhati becomes likhitavan. Any questions thus far? Prashnaः सन्ति वा? अस्तु. इदानीं बहुवचनं पश्यामः. भवानी महोदय.
बालकः पठितवन्तः. The boys, बालकाः पठितवन्तः. The boys read.
बालकाः पठितवन्तः. The boys read. सत्यं. विजय मीनन् महोदय.
शिशवः क्रीडन्तवन्तः.
पुनः पठतु.
शिशवः क्रीडितवन्तः. The babies played.
शिशवः क्रीडितवन्तः. The babies played. शिशवः is बहुवचनं. एकवचनं किम् अस्ति?
शिशुः. शिशुः.
शिशुः क्रीडितवान्. शिशवः क्रीडितवन्तः. प्रशान्त महोदय.
जनकाः भोजनं खादितवन्तः.
पुनः पठतु महोदय.
जनकाः भोजनं खादितवन्तः.
जनकाः खादितवन्तः. There is no halanta, so we have to say it completely. Jankaः no, janakaः. खादितवन्तः न, खादितवन्तः.
जनकाः भोजनं खादितवन्तः.
In Hindi it is correct. In Sanskritam it will become incorrect. I will show you why it is so in a future class.
Thank you.
अस्तु, धन्यवादः. हर्ष महोदय.
छात्राः अभ्यासं लिखितवन्तः. The male students wrote homework.
अस्तु. छात्राः अभ्यासं लिखितवन्तः. बालकाः पठितवन्तः. शिशवः क्रीडितवन्तः. जनकाः भोजनं खादितवन्तः. छात्राः अभ्यासं लिखितवन्तः. So वर्तमानकाले पठन्ति, क्रीडन्ति, खादन्ति, लिखन्ति. We saw this in a previous class. The same thing, pathanti in bhutakalaha, which becomes pathitavantaha. Kridanti, kriditavantaha. Khadanti, khaditavantaha. Likhanti, likhitavantaha. So
Mahoday, Ikaranta will shift from da to patati. Patati, Ikaranta is for the ta. And Patitavan, the Ikaranta will shift to ta.
Patitavan, Patitavantaha. Is that what you are saying? I didn't follow you.
Patati, Ikaranta is for ta. Patati. Patitavan, Ikaranta is shifted to ta.
Samyak. Patitavan, Ikaranta is shifted from T to Tha. Satyam. So, Ekavachana and Bahuvachana forms of Bhutakala for Pumlinga. Patitavan, Patitavantaha, Kriditavan, Kriditavantaha, Khaditavan, Khaditavantaha, Likhitavan, Likhitavantaha. It's very easy to remember. Patita, Kridita, it's all the same. So just replace one by vantaha to get the Bahuvachanam form. अस्तु, प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? अभ्यासं कुर्मः वा? अस्तु, अभ्यासं कुर्मः. यथा पूर्वं we have 3 boxes here. So in previous classes we had to change the middle box. Today, because all the Kriya Padas are in the last box, we have to convert all these Vartamana Kala forms into Bhuta Kala forms.
Bhanu Mahodaya, Viraj here.
Vadatu Mahodaya.
Earlier classes when we learned Kriya Pada, we were not separating it as Pullinga and...
Hold on to that question till we do Strilinga, till we finish Strilinga. I will explain why. For now, take it that for Bhutakala, in the form, in the way that we are doing, there is a difference between Pullinga and Strilinga and Napumsakala. Just hold on to your question for 15-20 more minutes. Srividya Mahodaya.
बालकः क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीडितवान्.
उत्तमं. बालकः क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीडितवान्. उत्तमम्. अर्थः कः?
The boy is playing in the playground.
He's playing.
No, played. Was playing or
played.
Was play. Yeah, there's nothing. Okay.
Was
played in the playground.
Satyam. Rachana Mahodaya. द्वितीयं करोतु.
छात्राः प्रातःकाले लिखितवान्.
अत्र पश्यतु, छात्राः एकवचनं वा बहुवचनं वा?
छात्राः इस् बहुवचन.
बहुवचने रूपं किं? वन्तः.
लिखितवन्तः. छात्राः प्रातःकाले लिखितवन्तः.
अर्थः कः?
Student wrote in the morning.
Student वा? एकवचनं वा?
Students, I'm sorry. Students did writing in the morning. Or wrote in the morning, past. Wrote would be right.
Wrote.
Right.
Satyam.
धन्यवाद.
कविता महोदय.
कोकिलः प्रातःकाले कूजितवान्.
सम्यक्. कोकिलः प्रातःकाले कूजितवान्. अर्थः कः?
Cuckoo sang in the morning.
यदि वर्तमानकाले वक्तुम् इच्छामि चेत् वर्तमानकाले किं भवति? प्रेजेंट टेंस मध्ये किं भवति? व्हाट विल बी द सेंटेंस इन
काले कूजति
कूजति? कूजति कूजितवान्। यदि कोकिलाः सन्ति चेत्
कोकिलाः प्रातःकाले कूजितवन्तः।
सत्यं, कोकिलाः प्रातःकाले कूजितवन्तः। उत्तमम्। सुधा महोदय।
युवकाः कुत्र भ्रमतिवन्तः? युवकाः कुत्र भ्रमितवन्तः।
As Ramesh Mahoday pointed out, goes from the tree and goes to the previous year.
Right.
युवकाः कुत्र
भ्रमितवन्तः।
अर्थः कः?
Where are the young men roaming around? No. Where were? Sorry, this is past tense. Bhutakala.
Bhutakala. Where did the young men roam? एकवचने किं भवति? युवकः।
Then युवकः कुत्र भ्रमितवान्?
युवकः कुत्र भ्रमितवान्? सम्यक्, धन्यवादः। चैत्र महोदय।
वानराः वृक्षात् कूर्दितवन्तः।
उत्तमं। वानराः वृक्षात् कूर्दितवन्तः। अर्थः?
The monkeys they jumped from the tree.
From the tree. एकवचने?
वानरः वृक्षात् कूर्दितवान्। वानरः वृक्षात् कूर्दितवान्। The monkey jumped from the tree.
वानरः पुंलिङ्गं वा स्त्रीलिङ्गं वा?
वानरः पुल्लिङ्ग।
पुल्लिङ्ग। सेम् सेंटेंस वर्तमानकाल, एकवचन and बहुवचन?
एकवचन वर्तमानकाल महोदय।
महोदय।
ओके। वानराः वृक्षात् कूर्दन्ति। एकवचन वानरः वृक्षात् कूर्दति।
सम्यक्, उत्तमम्। विराज महोदय, अन्तिमं करोतु।
सन्तोषेण हसितवान्।
सम्पूर्णं वाक्यं पुनः वदतु।
शिशुः सन्तोषेण हसितवान्।
अर्थः कः?
शिशु, small child, smiled in happiness or
with happiness.
With happiness.
संतोषेण with happiness. हसति। बहुवचने किं भवति?
शिशवः सन्तोषेण हसितवन्तः।
शिशवः सन्तोषेण हसितवन्तः। सम्यक्। सेम् थिंग वर्तमानकाले, एकवचनं बहुवचनं?
एकवचन शिशुः सन्तोषेण हसति, शिशवः सन्तोषेण हसन्ति।
उत्तमम्। अस्तु। प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? Apart from the question that Viraj Mahoday asked about why Pumlinga and Strilinga, I will touch upon that. Other than that, any questions? अस्तु, अग्रे सरामः। स्त्रीलिङ्गे बहुवचने किं भवति इति पश्यामः। रमेश महोदय, कृपया पठतु प्रथमं वाक्यं। रमेश महोदय अस्ति वा?
महोदय,
पठतु।
युवती पठितवती। The young girl read.
युवती पठितवती। युवकः पठितवान्, युवती पठितवती।
युवती पठितवती।
मंजुला महोदय।
बालिका क्रीडितवती। The girl played.
सत्यं, बालिका क्रीडितवती, the girl played। यदि बालकः अस्ति चेत्
बालकः क्रीडन्ति।
एकवचनेन, सारी, वर्तमानकालेन भूतकाले।
क्रीडति।
क्रीडितवान्।
बालकः इस् एकवचन महोदय।
आमां सत्यं, क्रीडितवान्। अत्र पश्यतु, पुल्लिङ्गे एकवचने, क्रीडति वर्तमानकालः, क्रीडितवान् भूतकालः। क्रीडितवान् फॉर पुल्लिङ्ग, क्रीडितवती फॉर स्त्रीलिङ्ग। अनुपमा महोदय, कृपया पठतु।
आं महोदय। जननी भोजनं खादितवती। The mother ate food.
जननी भोजनं खादितवती। पठितवती, क्रीडितवती, खादितवती। जननी स्थाने जनकः अस्ति चेत्, पुंलिङ्ग अस्ति चेत्
जनकः भोजनं खादितवान्।
सम्यक्, जनकः भोजनं खादितवान्। उत्तमं, धन्यवादः। भाग्या महोदय।
छात्रा अभ्यासं लिखितवती। Female students wrote homework or work, classwork.
अभ्यासं, छात्रा अभ्यासं लिखितवती। पठितवती, क्रीडितवती, खादितवती, लिखितवती। छात्रा स्थाने छात्रः अस्ति चेत्
छात्रः अभ्यासं लिखितवान्।
उत्तमं, छात्रः अभ्यासं लिखितवान्। So in स्त्रीलिङ्ग, वर्तमानकाल, if the वर्तमानकाल is पठति, भूतकाल becomes पठितवती, क्रीडति, क्रीडितवती, खादति, खादितवती, लिखति, लिखितवती। Please note, this is दीर्घ ई, पठितवती। Lot of beginners make a mistake and write it as पठितवती ह्रस्व. This is not ह्रस्व, it is दीर्घ। पठितवती, क्रीडितवती, खादितवती, लिखितवती। इदानीं बहुवचनं, बहुवचने किं भवति पश्यामः। सुमित्रा महोदय।
युवत्यः पठितवत्यः। The young girls read.
युवत्यः पठितवत्यः। युवती
पठितवती।
युवती पठितवती, सम्यक्। रत्नाकर महोदय।
बालिकाः क्रीडितवत्यः. The girls played.
बालिकाः क्रीडितवत्यः. बालिका किं करोति, किं कृतवती?
बालिका क्रीडितवती.
बालिका क्रीडितवती. बालकः
क्रीडितवान्. बालकाः क्रीडितवन्तः.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. मंजुला महोदय कृपया एतत् करोतु, तृतीयं वाक्यं.
मे महोदय.
आं महोदय, मंजुला महोदय.
जनन्यः भोजनं खादितवत्यः. द मदर्स एट फूड. जननी भोजनं खादितवती.
उत्तमं. जनन्यः भोजनं खादितवत्यः. जननी खादितवती. उत्तमं. जनकः किं करोति?
खादितवान्.
जनकाः
खादितवन्तः.
उत्तमं महोदय, उत्तमं. सुकन्या महोदय अन्तिमं करोतु.
छात्राः अभ्यासं लिखितवत्यः. छात्राः अभ्यासं लिखितवत्यः.
अत्र हलन्त नास्ति.
लिखितवत्यः.
छात्राः अभ्यासं लिखितवत्यः.
छात्राः अभ्यासं लिखितवत्यः.
सम्यक्. वदतु वदतु.
The female students wrote homework.
पठितवत्यः, क्रीडितवत्यः, खादितवत्यः, लिखितवत्यः. वत्यः इस् कामन्. यदि छात्रा अस्ति चेत्
छात्रा. Sorry sir, I joined little late. Just now only I joined. So I missed that beginning part. Sorry.
No. चिन्ता मास्तु. छात्रा लिखितवती.
छात्रा लिखितवती.
लिखितवती. छात्राः लिखितवत्यः.
छात्राः लिखितवती.
सत्यं. छात्रा लिखितवती. छात्राः लिखितवत्यः. उत्तमम्.
धन्यवादः.
यदि वर्तमानकाले बहुवचने पठन्ति अस्ति चेत् भूतकाले पठितवत्यः. पठन्ति पठितवत्यः. क्रीडन्ति क्रीडितवत्यः. खादन्ति खादितवत्यः. लिखन्ति लिखितवत्यः. So if you put just the स्त्रीलिंग forms together, एकवचने बहुवचने पठितवती पठितवत्यः. क्रीडितवती क्रीडितवत्यः. खादितवती खादितवत्यः. लिखितवती लिखितवत्यः. So again, if you look at the ekavachana ending, vati 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 vati, bahuvachana ending vatyah 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 vatyah. That's why it is easy to remember. अस्तु, अभ्यासं कुर्मः. रञ्जनी महोदय. पृच्छतु भाग्य महोदय.
भूतकाले स्त्रीलिंग पुल्लिंगरूपाणि डिफरेंट अस्ति.
आमां सत्यं.
किम्?
किमर्थं? वेट् फॉर 10 more minutes. 10 निमिषं स्थगयतु. अहं समाधानं ददामि. वेट् फॉर 10 minutes. I will give you the answer.
महोदय, वर्तमानकाले नास्ति.
वर्तमानकाले नास्ति, परन्तु
रूपाणि नास्ति.
भविष्यत्काले अपि नास्ति, भूतकाले एव अस्ति. किमर्थं? पश्यामः. 10 निमिषं स्थगयतु. वेट् फॉर 10 minutes. गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन. रंजनी महोदय. बालिका
बालिका धाने बालिका बालिका उद्याने चल वन्ति।
अत्र पश्यतु, बालिका एकवचनमस्ति वा बहुवचनमस्ति वा?
बहुवचनं।
बालिका एकवचनं, बालिकाः बहुवचनं।
ओ बालिकाः, बालिका
एकवचनमस्ति। So in Vartamana Kala, whenever you see Anti, it is Bahuvachana. When you see only Si, it is Ekavachana. So since this is Ekavachana, you have to pick a word that is Ekavachana.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Balika Patrani Patati, right? That is better.
Patati is Ekavachanam. Sorry, Vartamana Kala. Bhutakale Atra Pashyatu. Patati Pathitavati.
Okay.
Balika
Patrani Patitavati.
बालिका पत्राणि पठितवती। अर्थः कः?
The girl Vartama is Bhutakala. The girl read read the letter.
The letter. Bahuvachana. बालिका पत्राणि पठितवती और बालिका रामायणं पठितवती। अत्र पुनः पश्यतु, पठति वर्तमानकाला, पठितवती भूतकाला। So भूतकाला स्त्रीलिंग forms will end in vati 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 vati. बहुवचनं will end in vatyah vatyah vatyah. उत्तमम्। विजयमीनन् महोदय।
महिलाः फलानि खादन्ति। ओके, 1 minute। महिलाः फलानि खादितवत्यः।
सत्यं सत्यं। महिलाः फलानि खादितवत्यः। सम्यक्। अर्थः कः?
Ladies ate the fruits.
सत्यं। यदि एका महिला अस्ति चेत्, एकवचनम् अस्ति चेत् महिला
फलानि खादितवती।
सत्यं। महिला फलानि खादितवती। पुरुषः
फलानि ओके, पुरुषः एकवचन, फलानि खादितवान्। बहुवचन पुरुषाः फलानि खादितवन्तः।
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्। धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
नारायणन् महोदय।
युवत्यः उद्याने चलितवत्यः।
उत्तमम्। युवत्यः उद्याने चलितवत्यः। अर्थः?
young girls were walking in the park.
सत्यं सत्यं। भूतकाल। युवत्यः अस्ति चेत्?
अच्छा, एकवचनः। युवती उद्याने चलितवती।
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्। मीरा महोदय।
सिंहिका
वने गर्जितवती.
अर्थः?
The lion roared in the forest.
Lion va?
Lioness roared in the forest.
सत्यं. सिंहिका वने गर्जितवती. यदि सिंहः अस्ति चेत्
सिंहः वने गर्जितवान्.
सत्यम्. अस्तु. Several people joined the class after I took down the name. Did everybody get a chance? If you haven't got a chance, please pick up. I can't see everybody.
Mahoday, this is Ami here.
Ami Mahoday, karotu. Etat karotu.
Vanari, Vane.
One is over. Let's do.
Okay.
Let's do.
Udyane.
Yes.
Okay, Vrukshat. Vanari, Vrukshat. I will do Patati, so that will become Patitavati.
Sampurnam vakyam Vanari.
Vanari, Vrukshat, Patitavati.
अर्थः कः?
A female monkey fell from the tree.
उत्तमं. वानरी वृक्षात् पतितवती. बहुवचने?
वानराः.
नदी.
नद्यः. So वानर्यः वृक्षात् पतितवत्यः.
सम्यक्. वानर्यः वृक्षात् पतितवत्यः. उत्तमं.
वानरः वृक्षात् पतितवान्.
उत्तमं. वानराः
वृक्षात् पतितवत्यः. Sorry.
पतितवन्तः.
पतितवन्तः.
अस्तु, धन्यवादः.
पतितवन्तः.
Did everybody get a turn or did I miss anybody else? Astu, we will go back to the beginning. Usha Maholaya.
जनन्यः रामायणं पठितवती. जनन्याः रामायणं पठितवत्यः.
न. जनन्यः एकवचनं वा बहुवचनं वा?
जनन्यः बहुवचनं.
पठति एकवचनं वा बहुवचनं वा?
Cannot. Yes. Chalanti. No, pikanti. So it cannot be Ramayana. Jananyah.
Pick patrani.
Patrani. Likitavatyah.
Jananyah patrani likitavatyah. Artha ka?
Janani wrote. The mothers wrote patrani, the papers.
Letter.
Letters.
Mother or mothers?
Mothers.
यदि एकवचनम् अस्ति चेत् one mother.
जननी पत्राणि लिखितवती.
सत्यं. जननी पत्राणि लिखितवती. जनन्यः पत्राणि लिखितवत्यः. उत्तमम्. Here is one more.
Bhanu Mahoday.
Vadatu.
In the last one, this Vanari, what how this plural form would be written for Vanari? Can you Ra, and after Ra it would be Ya and R.
I will write it. Nadi, what is the Bahuvachana of Nadi?
Nadya.
Nadyaha.
Nadyaha, yeah.
So Vanari will become?
Vanarya.
Vanaryaha. Vanaryaha, like that. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Vanaryaha, like that.
Okay.
Nadi, Nadyaha, Vanari, Vanaryaha. अन्ये प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा?
No.
अस्तु.
Mastu.
Nastu.
Sorry.
No. That's how you learn, right? Making mistakes. So for Uttama Purusha, when I want to talk about myself or ourselves in Bhutakala, again, if it is Ekavachana, Khaditavan if I'm a male, or Khaditavati if I'm a female. And both of them mean I ate. Aham Khaditavan or Aham Khaditavati. Aham Pathitavan or Aham Pathitavati. I read. Vayam Likhitavantaha, Vayam Likhitavatyaha, or we wrote. Vayam Likhitavantaha, if you are all talking about men, if you are all women, Likhitavatyaha. Vayam Kriditavantaha, if you are all men, Vayam Kriditavatyaha. So, like this. Pathitavatyaha, Kriditavatyaha, Khaditavatyaha, Likhitavatyaha. If you are talking about Vayam for women. Same way, if a woman is talking about herself, Aham Pathitavati, Aham Kriditavati, Aham Khaditavati, Aham Likhitavati. If a man is talking about himself, Aham Pathitavan, Aham Kriditavan, Aham Likhitavan, Aham Khaditavan. If men are talking about themselves, Vayam Pathitavantaha, Vayam Kriditavantaha, Vayam Khaditavantaha, Vayam Likhitavantaha.
Bhanu Mahoday, what if it's a mixed crowd?
It will take Punlinga form.
Punlinga.
If it is a mixed form, it will take Punlinga form.
So, Bhanu Mahoday, so in Bhutakala, the Prathama Purusha and Uttama Purusha is the same.
Satyam. That's the second observation. The first observation was, why is there a difference between Pumlinga and Strilinga? Second observation is, Uttama Purusha and Prathama Purusha, why are the forms the same? Satyam. We will come to both. We are almost there.
Hey, Bhanu Mahodaya, one question I think I missed in a couple of classes. So, Uttama Purusha and Prathama Purusha, can you one time explain?
Prathama Purusha means third person when we are talking about somebody else. Balakaha, let us do Vartamana Kala. Balakaha patati, Balika patati, Saha patati, Te patanti, when we are talking about somebody else. So that is called Prathama Purusha in Sanskrit. Uttama Purusha means when we are talking about myself or first person. Aham patami, Vayam patamaha. I read, we all read. So before you join the class, what I was saying was, Prathama usually means first, but in Sanskrita, Prathama Purusha means third person. So that's one of the subtle differences between English and Sanskrita. Don't worry about it if it doesn't sink in. We will repeat this hundreds of times, so you will get it without any effort. But just know, Prathama Purusha means when we are talking about somebody else. Uttama Purusha means when we are talking about ourselves.
Oh, they are. It's confusing for me, sorry. So when I read Bhutakala, we always using apatatu, alikatu, param. So that's why I'm I'm little confused here.
That is a lung lakara. We are not doing lung lakara. We are doing tavatu pratyaya. It's a different form of bhutakala. There are many ways of expressing bhutakala. Lung lakara is one. Tavatu pratyaya is one. We are doing tavatu pratyaya.
Okay, Mahodaya. Sorry. Dhanyavada.
Same thing I wanted to also ask.
Astu Mahodaya. So just like we had Vishesha Rupani for Vartamana Kala and Bhavishyat Kala, we have Vishesha Rupani for Bhuta Kala also. So Vadati is not Vaditavan and Vaditavati. Vadati will be Uktavan and Uktavati, Ekvachana. Uktavantaha and Uktavatyaha, Bahuvachana. Tibati will become Titavan, not Tibativan or something like that. Tibitavan. It's not Tibitavan, it's Pitavan and Pitavati, Pitavantaha, Pitavatyaha. So the ending is still Van for Pumlinga Ekvachana, Vantaha for Pumlinga Bahuvachana, Vati for Strilinga Ekvachana, and Vatyaha for Strilinga Bahuvachana. Only the starting point is slightly different. So for Vadati, it will become Ukta. So Uktavan, Uktavantaha, Uktavati, Uktavatyaha. Tibati will become Pita. Pashyati will become Drushta. So for Pashya, replace Pashya with Drushta. Drushtavan, Drushtavantaha, Drushtvati, Drushtavatyaha. Pruchati again will become Prushtavan. Karoti will become Krutavan in Pumlinga Ekavachana. Our friend Gachati, I said whenever you encounter Gachati or Agachati, you have to sit up straight and stop what you are doing and think Gachati is here, so I need to be careful. So here also Gachati does not disappoint us. It has its own way of doing things. So Gachati becomes Gatavan in Bhutakala. Dadati, Dattavan. Shrunoti, Shrutavan. Shaknoti, Shaktavan. Pachati, Pakvavan. Not Pachitavan, Pakvavan. Don't worry if you cannot remember all of this. We will do a lot of Adhyasa. I just wanted to point out these to you so that you will not be surprised when you see them.
How does these forms derive, Mahodaya?
Kevalam Dasha Vishesha Rupani?
No, I picked 10 more commonly used. So, for example, Pashyati. So there is a concept of dhatu for when we are talking about Kriya Pada. So the dhatu for Pashyati is drush. So it derives from drush. Now why does drush become Pashyati in Vartamana Kala? That is a Panini Sutra. So let's not worry about all of those things. Let's just blame Panini for now for confusing all of us and making things complicated. Okay. Abhyasam kurmaha. Things will become clear. Don't be scared. Don't be afraid. We will do plenty of abhyasa. Just like you conquered other topics, you will conquer this topic also. Surendra Mahodaya.
Gajaha, Tadagat, Jalam, Pitavan.
Uttama. Gajaha, Tadagat, Jalam, Pitavan. So Mahodaya, one suggestion. As soon as you do Karta, please do Kriya. That way you will not make a mistake.
Yes. Okay.
Gajaha, Pitavan. The reason is, if instead of Gajaha, we had Gajaha, by the time you convert the remaining sentence, you will forget that it was Bahuvachana and you'll convert drank into Pitavan or Pitavati, you'll get confused. So as soon as you do karta, do the kriya. If you add more elephants, if you add bahuvachana elephant,
Gajaha Tagat Jalam Pitavantaha.
Uttamam. Gajaha Tadagat Jalam Pitavan.
Tadagat.
Satyam. Srividya Mahoday.
Vanaraha Kurditavantaha.
Uttamam.
Vrikshat. Vanaraha Vrikshat Kurditavantaha.
Uttamam. Vanaraha Vrikshebhyaha. Many trees.
Trees, okay.
Chintama. That is not important. Kurditavantaha is important, and you got that right. Vanaraha Kurditavantaha. Vanaryaha.
Vanaryaha Vrikshebhyaha Kurditavatyaha.
That's Uttamam. Vanaryaha Kurditavatyaha. Uttamam. Ramu Mahoday.
Sita Ramam Drishtavati.
Uttamam. Sita Ramam Drishtavati. Uttamam. Vartamana Kale, Sita is seeing Rama.
Sita Ramam Drishtavati.
Drishtavati is Bhutakala. Vartamana Kale?
Pashyati.
So, Vartamana Kale Pashyati, Bhutakale Drishtavati. Uttamam. Kavita Mahoday.
Shishya Prushtitavati Guru Prushtitavati. Shishya Prushtitavati Prashnam
Prushtavati.
Prashnam Prushtavati.
If it is Pumlinga, Shishyaha Prushtavan. So I don't think there is a separate Strilinga for Shishya. Whether it's Pumlinga or Strilinga, I think it's always Shishya. I will confirm that.
Guru also like that. No? Guru also like that.
Guru is definitely Guruhu only. Whether it's a male Guru or female Guru, it is always Guruhu. There are some words which are always in a particular linga, whether Strilinga or Napumsakalinga or Pumlinga. Guruhu is one such word. I'm not sure about Shishyaha, but Shishuhu is definitely always in Pumlinga. Whether it's a male baby or female baby, it's always Shishuhu. Shishyaha Prushtavan. Uttamam. If it is Vartamana Kala, what will happen, Kavita Mahoday?
Shishyaha Pruchhati.
Uttamam. Pruchhati. Chaitra Mahoday.
The rich person gave money for the beggar. Dhanikaha gave Vartamana Kala is Dadati.
Dattavan.
Okay, Dattavan. Dhanikaha Dattavan. So money for the beggar. Bhikshu for the beggar. Bhikshukaya. Dhanikaha Bhikshukaya धनं दत्तवान्.
उत्तमम्. धनिकः भिक्षुकाय धनं दत्तवान्. यदि धनिकाः सन्ति चेत्
धनिकाः बहुवचन महोदय. धनिकाः भिक्षुकाय धनं दत्तवन्तः.
उत्तमम्. विराज महोदय.
They, female case, ate food from the plates. They will be taha. Then ate will be kaditavatyah. Then food will be kadyam from the plates. Then stalika.
Stalika is plate.
Okay. Stalikat.
Stalika is Strilinga.
Okay.
Okay. Don't worry. That is not important. Khaditavatyah is important. Stalikabhyah. Don't worry about that. Taha khaditavatyah. Uttamam. यदि एका स्त्री अस्ति चेत्, एका महिला अस्ति चेत्
ता स्थालिकेन.
Okay. Stalikaya. Stalika is Strilinga. Don't worry about these two words. Just go karta and kriya. Sa
kaditavati.
Sa kaditavati. Saha kaditavatyah.
Kaditavatyah.
Uttamam. Sumitra Mahoday.
I listen to the song. Aham Shrunomi. So it will be Shrutavati. Shrutavati. Aham Geetam Shrutavati.
Uttamam. Aham Ganam Shrutavati. If you are talking about a male, if this person I
Shrutavan. Shrutavan.
Aham Ganam Shrutavan. Aham Ganam Shrutavati. For a female. Uttamam.
Dhanyavad.
Meera Mahoday.
Vayam Vayam is many female. So Drishtavatyah. Vayam not the drama.
Natakam.
Drishtavatyah.
Uttamam. Vayam Natakam Drushtavatyah. If instead of female it is male.
Vayam Natakam Drishtavantah.
Vantah. Aham
Natakam Drishtavati.
Male.
Aham Natakam Drishtavan.
Uttamam. Narayan Mahoday.
Students name and school. Okay. Students Chatraha. Went is when Chatraha Gatavantaha Vidyalayam. Chatraha Vidyalayam Gatavantaha.
Uttamam. Female students अस्ति चेत्.
Female student Chatraha Vidyalayam Gatavatyah.
Ekavachane.
गतवती छात्रा विद्यालयं गतवती
मेल स्टूडेंट एकवचनं
छात्रः विद्यालयं गतवान्
उत्तमं गतवान् अनुपमा महोदय
मदर कुक्ड रोटीज जननी रोटिकां
First to do, after you do the karta, do the kriya part.
Janani pachati.
Pachati is Vartamana Kala. What is Bhuta Kala?
So, Pachavati. Pakvavati. Okay.
It's a Vishesha form, special form.
Pakvavati.
Janani
rotikam pakvavati.
Ekavachanam rotikam, abhavachanam rotikaha. Janani pakvavati. Many mothers, jananyaha
rotikaha pakvatavatiyaha.
Punaha
pakvatavatiyaha.
Pakvavatyaha. So replace vati with vatyaha.
Pakvavatyaha. Janakaha rotikaha pakvavan. Janakaha rotikaha pakvavantaha. Pakvavantaha.
Pakva will remain same. Vati will become vatyaha or van or vantaha.
Pakvavantaha.
Pakvavantaha, gatavantaha, like that. Purditavantaha. Spashtam? Astu. Bhagya Mahoday.
Taha did. Saha.
Karoti is Krutavan.
Saha pustakat abhyasam krutavan.
Saha krutavan. Let's forget about the middle part. Let's ignore these. It doesn't matter. Saha krutavan. If there are many people,
te abhyasam krutavantaha.
For females, for Strilinga.
Sa pustakebhyaha abhyasam krutavati.
Bahuvachanam.
Taha pustakebhyaha abhyasam krutavatyaha.
Sa krutavati, taha krutavatyaha.
Taha krutavantaha. Krutavatyaha, sorry.
Krutavatyaha. Vijayanina Mahodaya.
Okay, students female. Chatraha came. Agatavanta, is it?
Agatavantyaha.
Okay. Students. Okay. So Chatraha Agatavatyaha.
Uttamam.
Griham from school. Vidyalayam. Okay.
Let's ignore this because you studied all of this in the past class. Don't worry about that. Anyway, these words will not change whether this becomes chhatra, chhatraha, nothing. These will remain the same. Let's focus only on these two.
Okay.
Chhatraha
agatavatyaha.
Ekavachanam chhatra.
Chhatra agavati.
Agatavati. Chhatraha. Male student.
Agatavan.
Agatavan. Chhatraha male students.
Chhatraha male students agatavantaha.
आगतवन्तः. उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. अस्तु. So now the question that you have all been asking, why in Vartamana Kala there is no difference between linga. Pathati, saha pathati, sa pathati, balaka pathati, mahila pathati. The reason is pathati, this is a kriya padam, proper kriya padam. Kriya padam doesn't have any difference in linga. So linga bedam nasti. Kriya pade linga bedam nasti, purusha bedam asti. So there is a difference in whether it is prathama purusha or uttama purusha. Pathati, pathami. We saw this in the previous classes. Pathati, ekvachanam, prathama purusha. Pathami, ekvachanam, uttama purusha. So there is a difference in purusha. There is a difference in vachana. But there is no difference in linga. Saha pathati, sa pathati, balakaha pathati, balika pathati, mahila pathati, purusha pathati. So there is no difference in linga. But when it comes to Bhutakala, and this goes, the answer lies in what Bhagya Mahodaya asked. When it comes to Bhutakala, we are saying in Pumlinga it's different, in Strilinga it's different, Ekavachana is different, Bahuvachana is different. Where else did we see a difference in Linga and Vachana? In what other aspects we saw that? Ramaha, Sita, Purushaha, Mahila, right? Ekavachana. Ramaha, Mahila, Mahilaha. So those are all nouns, right? Nouns, or in Samskrita. I will use English for today just to get the concept right first, and then we will switch to Samskrita. In Samskrita, nouns have a difference in linga. Ramaha is different from Sita. Ramaha is different from Ramaha. So there is a linga bhedam, there is a vachana bhedam. In Kriya Padam, there is a vachana bhedam, but there is no linga bhedam. So that is where the answer lies. So Pathitavan, Likhitavan, Kriditavan, these are not proper Kriya Padas. They are actually nouns. They give a sense of being a Kriya Pada. So that is why Pathitavan is for Pumlinga, Pathitavati is for Strilinga. The reason is Pathitavan is not like Pathati. Pathati is a proper Kriya Pada, whereas Pathitavan is actually a noun, Namapada. And that is why Pathitavan is different from Pathitavati. There is a linga bheda. So this form that we have learned today, it gives a sense of being a Kriya Pada, but it is not a real Kriya Pada. It is actually a Namapada, a noun. And that is why there is a linga bheda.
So this, Bhanumahodaya, this is for just Bhavishya Kalam. Sorry, Bhuta Kalam. Bhuta Kalam, okay. Not for Bhavishya Kalam and Vartamana Kalam.
Correct. So there is a proper Kriya Pada for Bhuta Kala also. Pathati, Apathas. If you use Apathas, then there is no linga bheda. Sa Apathas, Saha Apathas. But that's a different way of using Bhutakala. There are many ways of doing Bhutakala in Samskrita. So Apathas, Alikhat, Akhadat, those are different. The reason we are not learning that form is they are a little more complicated. We need to know a little bit about Sandhi. We need to know a little bit about Upasarga or prefixes. Without knowing those, if you start studying that form of Bhutakala, it becomes very confusing because there is no easy way of remembering. There is no clear-cut pattern. Whereas for Vartamana Kala, Patati, Likhati, Khadati, there is a very clear pattern. Ti for Ekavachana, Anti for Bahuvachana. But for Bhutakala, if you do it in the other form, Apat, Alikhat, there is no clear pattern. So it becomes hard to remember. That is why we are using a different form where a noun acts as a verb. A Namapada acts as a Kriyapada. And that is why we have a Linga Veda. So, let me go back. So, Patitavan is a Ekavachana Pumlinga Shabda. Readitavan Ekavachana Pumlinga Shabda. Likewise, Patitavantaha Bahuvachana Pumlinga Shabda. And these are all nouns. Namapada, noun. Patitavati, Ekvachana, Strilinga.
Mahodaya, this is Ratnakar. So why is that a noun actually? Any reason?
Not why it is a noun. It is a noun which is acting like a verb. Namapada acting like a Kriyapada. It's not becoming a noun because it's acting like a Kriyapada. It's the other way around. It is a Namapada that happens to act as a Kriyapada. That's one of the differences in Sanskrita. Sometimes a noun can act as a verb. And there are special forms for that. And the reason we are learning this form of doing Bhutakala is the pattern is very easy to remember. Van for Pumlinga Ekvachana. Vantaha for Pumlinga Bahuvachana, Vati, Vatyaha. Done. If you remember these four forms, you are done. Bhutakala is easy. Kavita Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, it is very similar to Bhavan, Bhavantaha, Bhavati, Bhavatyaha. Uttamam.
It's exactly the same, except for one difference in one of the vibhaktis. It is exactly the same. So if you remember Bhavan table, and if you remember the Bhavati table, this becomes easy. So this is Prathama Vibhakti. What we learned is Prathama Vibhakti, Karta form. I know this can be slightly confusing. That's why we kept Bhutakala till the end. So please ask questions. Manjula Mahodaya. This is clear, Mahodaya.
Mahodaya.
Ranjani Mahodaya.
Yes. I'll spend more time, looking into it, Vanu Mahodaya. I have not spent much time. So.
Astu. Bhagya Mahodaya, did I answer your question?
Astu Mahodaya, I remember now. Bhavan, Bhavati, Bhavan, that Shabda. So I remember. Thank you. Dhanyavada Mahodaya.
Astu. Viraj Mahodaya, Bhavata Prashnam Avagatam va?
Astu Mahodaya. It's very interesting, I think, now, Sanskrit. Yeah.
If you want to be more technical, should we become technical or wait? We'll wait. Just know that the name is called Tavatu Pratyaya. I will write it here. Tavatu Pratyaya. That's the name of this form where the noun is acting like a verb in the Bhutakala. Tavatu Pratyaya. What is a Pratyaya? We will see when we study Vyakaranam, when we study grammar. It's not too far off. 2 or 3 more classes we'll start studying Vyakaranam.
Mahodaya, do we have this lut lot in the curriculum?
Lat lakara, lat lang, lot, we studied lot lakara, lang lakara, rut lakara. We just didn't use the technical terms. We just called them Bhavishyat Kala, Vartamana Kala, and Agnya Prarthana. We never gave them names.
Mahodaya, Napumsakalingam. Napumsakalingam Vartena Kim Bhutakala Rupani.
Asti, santi. Napumsakalinge api santi. But generally, Napumsakalinga objects, they don't act by themselves. So the usage of Napumsakalinga in Bhutakala form, they are not that many, but they do exist. So in order to reduce confusion and in order to reduce the number of things we have to learn, we won't learn about Napumsakalinga, but they do exist.
So if I have to say the fruit falls from the tree, so the palam vrikshat patitavan patitavat. Astu, dhanyawad.
Patitavat. But let's not worry about Napumsakalinga. Let's focus on Strilinga and Pumlinga only. Anye prashnaha santi va? I know this can be a little confusing. Just remember that this form of Bhutakala, it's a noun. It's a Namapala, not a real Kriyapala, not a real word. And that is why there is a difference in Strilinga and Pumlinga. And just like any other Namapadam, just like any other noun, there is a difference between Ekavachana and Bahuvachana. Ramaha, Ramaha, Patitavan, Patitavantaha. And just like Namapadam, Rama and Sita are different. So Patitavan, Patitavati. That's the difference. As long as you remember this is a noun, you will be fine. Vijay Menon Mahodaya, you look confused.
No, I was thinking about the second observation where we said that whether it's aham or
satyam.
So there also because of noun, is it where it okay. So Pratama Purusha and Uttama Purusha, it will remain the same.
So in nouns, there is no difference in Purusha, right? We never studied Pratama Purusha or Uttama Purusha for noun. Rama is Ramaha only.
Rama, okay, correct. Okay.
Is Aham only. So that is why, good thing you reminded. So for Namapada, for nouns, there is no Purusha Beda. Linga Beda asti, Vachana Beda asti.
Beda nasti, okay.
Purusha Beda, na. Any of the more experienced students, Meera Mahodaya, Narayanan Mahodaya, do you want, Ramu Mahodaya, do you want to comment or add more clarification?
No.
Or say this in a different way that others can remember based on your experience.
I think Bhutakala, it's the simplest way of remembering is through nouns only, as you said. Because it doesn't change with this thing. Only with Linga it changes. It doesn't change with Purusha and all that. So it's easy to say. You don't have to say aham, patahami. You don't have to remember too many things. So it's the easiest way.
That's right. And that's
so I think it makes our lekhanis also easier now to write in case we have to write something in Bhutakala.
A lot of things we write in Bhutakala.
Especially stories, we have to.
Stories you can now write in Bhutakala.
It's coming. For your homework, you have to write a Vartamana Kala story in a Bhutakala.
Oh my God.
So the other easy way of remembering Prathama Purusha and Uttama Purusha is you tell yourself that you are an excellent person.
Uttama, you are Uttama. That's why you are Uttama Purusha.
I am an excellent person is Uttama Purusha.
But still the other person is first.
Because that's our culture, right? We put others first.
So that way it is easy to have clarity. I am an excellent person is Uttama Purusha. I am Uttama Purusha.
But he comes first, or she comes.
He comes first.
He comes first.
Astu. Ekam subhashitam pashyamah. I wanted to do Kimartham, but I don't think we'll have time. That's okay. We will cover it in the next class. Who has not done Subhashitam till now?
We are not done with the last class Subhashitam also, Mahodaya.
We will do that next time, Mahodaya. This
Subhashitam. Mahodaya, I never got a chance.
Vadatu,
this is Sudha here.
Karotu.
Shall I read it?
Please.
Paropakaraya halanti vrikshaha. Paropakaraya vahanti nadyah. Paropakaraya duhanti gavaha. Paropakara karardhamidam shariram. Paropakaradhamidam shariram.
Paropakaraya phalanti vrikshaha, paropakaraaya vahanti nadyah, paropakaraya duhanti gavaha, paropakaradhamidam shariram. So there are four distinct components here. Paropakaraya phalanti vrikshaha 1, paropakaraya vahanti nadyah 2, paropakaraya duhanti gavaha 3, and paropakaradhamidam shariram. So if you take the first part, Paropakaraya phalanti vrikshaha, what does it mean?
For the benefit of others, trees give fruits.
Uttamam. Vrikshaha Paropakaraya phalanti. So we can rewrite it like that, right? Vrikshaha Paropakaraya phalanti. So, trees for others give fruit. Second part?
Rivers, Vahanti is flow. Rivers flow, again, for the benefit of others.
Nadyaha Paropakaraya Vahanti. Rivers for others' benefit flow. Uttamam. Trutiyam.
Paropakaraya, I don't know the meaning of duhanti.
Give milk.
Oh, then cows.
Cows.
Cows give milk for others.
Gavaha Paropakaraya duhanti. Gauhu ekavachana, Gavaha bahuvachana. Strilinga. This is a rare Okaranta Strilinga Shabda. There are not many Okaranta Shabdas. Go is for cow. Gauhu ekavachana, Gavaha bahuvachana. Gavaha Paropakaraya duhanti. Cows for others give milk.
Paropakaraya. Paropakaradhamidam shariram.
Paropakaradham idam shariram. Idam is this.
Yeah, shariram is the body.
Idam shariram.
Idam shariram. This body.
Paropakaradham.
Maybe we should be selfless and help others.
Right. Paropakarartham is the same as Paropakaraya. That's what we were going to study in Kimartham. It would have been more clear, but that's okay. Paropakarartham is the same as Paropakaraya. So Paropakaraya idam
sari.
For others, this body is. So trees give fruit for others. for the benefit of others, rivers flow for the benefit of others, cows give milk for the benefit of others. Likewise, this body is for the benefit of others.
In this, 1 minute. In these circumstances, there is a saying of Swami Vivekananda. They alone live for others who live for others. They alone live who live for others. The rest are more dead than alive.
Are you hearing us today?
Astu. Samayah Bhavat. Let's
I don't know.
stop here. I will stay back after the class for a few minutes. If you have questions, you can ask me. Let's do Mangala Shlokam. Please move here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamidachat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.